now on the YouTube channel. And I thank you very much for sparing this time and inviting us to your wonderful showroom, collect with a wide range of gifting items. I'm really overwhelmed to see all those kind of things. Neha, if you start, can you please tell us about yourself first, and then a little bit about your journey and how did you reach till this point?
So I would firstly thank you, Mr. Sanjay, for accepting my invitation and visiting my
Welcome,
studio.
welcome.
Thank you so much for gracing me with this opportunity of being live with you. So I would like to tell you, I have converted, actually, I have transformed my passion into my profession.
Oh, great.
Yes, and my journey started with lot of creativity. I had learned baking, chocolate making, candle making, and I'm also a certified jewelry designer. And with my chocolate training, I have made chocolate bouquets and I used to sell them. I used to take orders for those. And also, I used to do a lot of wedding trousseau packing, coin packing, all those things. So, with my jewelry designing, I have pursued my packaging creativity also. And with that, I started my journey into gifting big time. And in the year 2011, 2012, it became more prominent with my creativity. Then, fortunately, I came here, I took my nice setup, and this is here I am with you.
So, have you done any specific training or courses in gifting, like you did in chocolates or some other jewelry designing? So, any special course, training, or something else? You worked with somebody and then you got interested into gifting, or it was just an idea that came to you and it clicked?
So I would like to say my mom is a creative person. She is a canvas painter. And I used to do a lot of canvas painting, bedsheet paintings with her. And my nani is embroidery artist. So with her, I did a lot of embroidery on bedsheets. And from there, my journey started. I also made lot of waterfalls using POPs. And I started gifting from then. And in us, like in Marwadis, lot of trousseau packing and all comes into picture. So in family, jo bhi weddings hote the, cousins ke, friends ke. So I started my packaging journey from there.
Okay.
And creativity being so much embedded in me, I have inherited, I can say. And that took me here. And day by day, I got more creative with my creation. And my passion is something to give joy to everybody, whatever gift I present. So there is always a curiosity and a wow factor in every creation.
You spoke about something called trousseau packing. Can you explain us what exactly is trousseau packing for our people who are viewing may not know exactly what is trousseau packing?
Sure, Sanjay. So trousseau packing is for wedding people,
Okay.
bride and the groom. Whatever bride side presents to the groom side needs to be packed beautifully.
Okay.
So it enhances the look and increases the value of your gift. And of course, when the person unwraps the gift, he or she will feel, wow, that I have been loved, I have been presented such beautiful gifts. So trousseau packing is for bride and groom.
It can apply to the groom side also, sending something gifts to the.
Yes, so groom side and bride side, both sides we do gifts, but trousseau is for bride and groom. Like whatever you give to a bride, her footwear, her jewelry, her outfits, dry fruits, chocolates, cosmetic, everything is trousseau for a bride. And whatever you give to a groom, groom's sherwani, groom's footwear, groom's grooming kit, groom's jewelry, everything is groom's trousseau packing.
Oh, so you are talking that every occasion has a different kind of packaging,
Yes,
whether
yes.
it is weddings, whether it is different ceremonies in weddings, or whether it is some other kind of occasion, you would have a different kind of packaging. Is there any
Absolutely.
other variety of packaging except trousseau that you would like to
Yes,
share?
absolutely, Sanjay. So I would like you to have a look on this beautiful Mamero train.
Okay.
You can see from here, it starts from here, and every section is decorated in a different pattern to show you how differently we pack for particular occasion.
Okay.
So this is having a signature celebration, his and her. So this is for bride and groom, wherein we can present these products beautifully to them. This section is made for a newborn baby, where when a child is born, mother's side gives a huge lot of gifts for
Exactly, yes.
a newborn angel, and also a mother, also a father, and also a family. So we make such kind of train for them, and each section will have gifts for individual people.
Okay.
This section is made for weddings. So in wedding also we have lot of gifts to give to families, to bride, to groom.
Yes.
So this is how we can present individually whatever is to be gifted. Now you can see this. These are beautiful coin packaging that we have done, and this is absolutely loved by people when we give them.
Oh,
It's
yes,
a
this is
coin, but it
looking
is
lovely.
presented
Yes.
beautifully with
Yes.
different colors of net packing.
Right.
Likewise, we also do these Fera bells. So even this is very much in right now. When the Fera happens, we have those flower bouquets and we have these Ghungroo bells to wish them good luck.
Oh, lovely, lovely.
So
Very
likewise-
creative and innovative ideas.
Yes, and
that
this
you've
is
been
how we
developing.
present dry fruits.
Oh.
Now, dry fruits is also one of the very important product that we cater to.
Yes.
We have flavored dry fruits wherein we decide what amount of flavor should be added in the dry fruit to give it a right taste.
Right.
Nothing should be more or nothing should be less.
Yes.
And this beautifully we present the basket.
Okay. Oh, a lovely basket.
Yes. So
And,
when you receive this, you will have a wow factor
Yes.
when you will open this and you will start munching on these nuts.
very tempting. Yes, I think anybody would just open and start
Yes.
eating as soon as he or she gets it.
We also have candles here. I have learned candle making, as I said. So I use that learning also in my trousseau packing, in my festive giftings, in Diwali gifting. We cater to all occasions.
Can we have a look at the candle, please?
Yeah, sure.
Possible?
So these are flavored candles, lavender flavor.
Okay.
And this is how beautifully we pack them in glass jars.
Could it be exactly lit? like
Yes,
this?
it can be lit and it will burn till the last drop.
Oh, okay. Great. Yes.
Even the fragrances in candles are added with the perfect margin, with the perfect proportion, so
Okay.
that it's not too much and it's not too less. It should be just right, which does not hit your nose.
Okay. And in every occasion, say in weddings or a childbirth or probably other occasions, would you have something which would be exclusively for a person, or
Yes.
say this is for a bride and groom, or something for the mother, something
Yes,
for the father?
definitely. So
or-
we also do beautiful invitation cards for the guests who are invited. So we do customized and personalized invitation wedding cards, and they go with beautifully decorated gifts that our guest will prefer in their budget. And we also cater to room hampers because there are destination weddings.
Yes.
So we take care of the packaging also. When the product is utilized, packaging can be used.
Yeah.
So this is for the guests who come to stay in the hotels.
Yeah. And this becomes like a memory for them, a
Yes,
souvenir
of course.
kind of a thing
Of course.
to remember that occasion.
Yes.
And
So wedding is a big event.
Yeah.
And in that event, we take care of all small functions to big functions. And in events, in weddings, we also take care of live on-site events, wherein they want to gift their guest some handmade jewelry of their choice,
Yes.
or some handmade mugs, or some printed shawls or t-shirts with the bride and groom logo. It's
Yeah.
trend now कि आजकल सब जगह logo बहुत होता है
Ah.
of bride and groom का.
Yeah.
So we do take care of all those requirements also.
These are some of the samples of all that you do.
Yeah, so this is what we have done for weddings. This is done for Diwali. Likewise, this is done for Holi. This is done for mom to be. Husband,
Okay.
yeah, a loving husband called us and said, I want to give something chatpata to my wife. And boy hai ki girl hai, of course, we don't know here. So a pink balloon and a blue balloon and all chart items are there that his wife loves.
Okay.
So this was for that occasion. This is a holy hamper. This is a wine hamper, which is done for 40th birthday.
Okay.
And during lockdown, we have actually accommodated all the orders of our clients, and beautifully we have packed and delivered at their door. Then this is another Diwali gift item, which was curated for a company with Evil Eye theme.
Oh, okay.
So
great.
we also do theme based gifting, and whatever printing is required, we take care of that. This is a beautiful hamper which is made for possessions, home possessions, for a renowned builder. We are empaneled with them for 500 hampers. We successfully delivered that in 1 year, and we were again we again got reorder of another 300 hampers.
Okay. So when you do theme-based giftings for any occasion, for that matter, what are the points that you consider and you remember that these kind of things are to be incorporated in that gift so that the theme is remembered, the theme looks more enhanced?
Definitely, Sanjay, that is a very good question. So, any gift should have a factor which includes wow, and it should relate to a giver, and a receiver should also feel that value of emotion in that gift. So definitely we will first understand the client's requirements, what they want, what is their budget, what is the event, what they will not prefer to add into the gift. That is very important that we take care of. Then accordingly we will suggest them few ideas, we will curate few samples for them, and from that we can shortlist what is to be done. We can accommodate customization and personalization because machines are in-house, and then the packaging is taken care in a beautiful manner.
And how do you decide the theme? Is it given by the client or you decide the theme and design based on that theme?
So themes are generally decided by clients because they know what theme they have covered and what theme they haven't covered. Still, if they are not known with the theme, we definitely suggest them few which are ongoing, which are upcoming themes and which are really new in the town, and then they can shortlist from there.
Okay, great. You just a few minutes ago, you did mention about live counters. Can you
Yes.
explain more about that and how effective and how do they work?
Sure, Sanjay, I will take you through my live counter setup.
Yeah.
So these are mug printings which we take care of on on-site events.
Okay.
So recently we have taken a project for Indigo Hospital, which is in Mulund, and there around 400 to 500 doctors mark their presence. And within 3 hours, we had to deliver mugs to them. So we clicked their pictures on the spot, we designed it, and then we made a mug out of it. Meanwhile, they had their lunch, they greeted the doctors in the hospital, they came down and they received their mug. So this is how we take care of live events for mugs.
Could
These
you
are
explain how this is done?
yeah, so this is a plain mug.
Yeah.
And when you tell us what print you want, that print we will do, we will design it, we will put
Okay.
it on the mug, and this is how we will put it to in the machine. And then on a certain temperature, the heat process takes place, and with the sublimation project, it will transform into a beautifully printed mugs.
And how much time would this take?
So mug printing will take around 3 to 4 minutes.
Okay.
But before that and after that, there is a process of heating the machine and cooling down of the mug. So each mug will take around 10 to 12 minutes from start to end.
So for heating and cooling, it has to be done after every mug or only in the starting and the end?
So when the machine starts, that heating process is done in the beginning. Then as and when you go on making the mugs, the heat is already set in the machine. So it will take around 4 to 5 minutes each mug to process.
Precise.
Likewise, we do for t-shirts also.
Okay.
This is a t-shirt machine, and when you put the logo inside, when you press the t-shirt, this is how the logo gets printed on it.
Oh, lovely. So is it only a logo or any other kind of a picture?
Any matter, A4 size printing, collar printing, pocket size printing, sleeves printing, back printing, any matter can be done, any logo can be done, any picture can be done, anything can be printed on this.
Including a big picture or
Yes,
something
A4
like that?
size picture also can be done on this.
On the same machine?
Yeah, so we have taken care of a project of 300 t-shirts for Nanavati Hospital during COVID.
Oh,
So during COVID, they had an event of bikeathon to honor all the police people who are taking care of the city.
right.
So for that event, we made around 300 t-shirts for Nanavati Hospital and delivered within 6 hours.
Oh, that
Yes,
is wonderful.
yes.
306 hours.
Yes.
That's quite fantastic.
During COVID.
During COVID, yes. So then it becomes really feasible during the events where people really are there for max 2 to 3 hours and they want their gifts back within that time. So is it possible, because especially in case of weddings, there may be a lot of people, more than 1,000 people sometimes, who attend the wedding. And is it possible to cater to all of them with their gifts of their choice and printing of their choice in that limited time?
Yes, of course, Sanjay. So we are very well known across our contact sphere for our last minute gifting solutions. So whenever you need anything, you contact Neha Gadodia, you contact Arcoiris, and your product will be delivered on time or before time, but delivery will be done as per your request. So even for weddings, we do take last minute orders, and even for bulk orders, we take last minute orders, and very nicely we complete our project and our client is happy with a nice testimonial.
Oh, that's wonderful. I also see some of the products this side. Could you tell us what exactly is here?
So this is
Nice, small, lovely, cozy packets.
these are
Yeah.
beautiful chocolate boxes,
Okay.
trinket boxes. This is a packaging section
Yeah.
wherein our clients can come and select what they want, what kind of boxes they want, what kind of material they want, and then we can decide for their packaging depending
these
on
are
their
just
budget.
the packaging according
Yes.
to which
Yes.
you will make their
Yes.
choices. Okay. Right. And these are also the larger boxes, right?
Yes. So we also make these boxes as per their requirements. We do customization on these boxes. If you want your logo to be done on this, if you want your client's name to be done on this. So personalization is something where individual names are mentioned. Customization is something where company logo is mentioned. So we do take care of customized boxes depending on the sizes required, depending on the material required, and depending on the customization required. We cater to all kinds of solutions.
Okay. And with the small quantities, also these customizations and individualizations are possible.
So this is possible because we have printing capabilities developed in-house, as I mentioned. Otherwise, MOQ is 50 pieces.
Yeah. Okay. But smaller than that, in case of small occasions,
We do entertain small quantities also.
Okay.
We want all our clients to be happy.
Great, that's wonderful. That's something which is very, very enthusiastic. And I see another huge range of products this side. Could you explain us what is all this for?
So this is a very much corporate product, which is very much in demand, bottles.
Okay.
Every corporate needs bottles. So all kinds of materials are there, be it bamboo, temperature, metal bottle, steel bottle, all kinds of bottles are here.
Okay.
And this is something very different kind of material that goes for kids gifting.
Okay.
Even adults take this, but this is a glass material with silicone band, and names can be personalized on this.
Oh,
So for Raksha Bandhan kind of gifting, this is very much ongoing in our store.
but with glass, would it go for kids?
Yes, it goes with kids because we have silicone band on this to protect it.
So
And
it is
these are
almost
borosilicate.
becomes almost unbreakable.
Yes. And because kids want fancy products,
Yeah.
birthday parties are rocking with these gifts.
And these can come in any colors? Or
Yes,
this is-
there are different kinds of silicone bands which we can do as per your requirement.
Okay. And these are the same kind of mugs for with printing?
These are ceramic mugs. These are borosilicate mugs. These are German material.
Okay.
Unbreakable, microwave safe. Whenever you are on your desk, you are just tired with work and your tea gets cold. So put this mug in the microwave. It will get heated as per your required temperature. And then you can just sip your coffee or your tea.
And what about this lovely looking silver colored cups?
Same. This is also the same mug. It's just that we have done different kinds of branding.
Okay.
Any name can be done, any customization can be done on these. And we have this available in different colors also.
Oh, okay. So wide range of choice for the customer,
Yes,
or with wide range of themes,
Yes,
colors,
definitely.
and occasions. Right?
definitely. So when you enter, you come with no idea zone, And when you leave the studio, you
Too
have
many of them
yes.
to select. Yes. And what about these larger, colorful
These are
bottles
also bottles for these are shakers for marathon runners.
Okay.
These are temperature bottles. So depending on client's requirement, we have all kinds of range.
And all are available to customization.
All are available to customization, and we have bandwidth of 500 pieces of bottles ready with us. So whenever we have urgent and ready to deliver inquiries, we always say yes because of the bandwidth that we carry.
That's exactly.
And these are again beautiful tiki mugs. So these are very much used for mocktails and cocktails.
Okay.
So in housewarming, we have clients who visit for housewarming. They order these tiki mugs from us. We decorate it beautifully with wine, and it becomes a nice piece, nice add-on product for a housewarming function.
It looks very decorative and
Yes.
very this thing. And
this is again a very different mug for, again, kids nowadays enjoy different kinds of mocktails.
Yeah.
So these mugs are for kids also, where they can make their nice mocktails and sip it.
yeah. And it can come in any other shape or any other, like a bird or
Yes, yes,
animal
but
or
this is
something
on
like-
availability, whatever options available with us.
Okay.
And these are nice, you can say, monks in different positions.
Okay.
So we cater to wellness hampers also. And when we make wellness hampers, we add these beautiful monks as an add-on product.
Yes. So it enhances the theme
Yes,
and,
and the
gives a very
packaging.
soothing effect to
Yes,
probably
to
the
the
patient or
packaging.
person who receives it.
We have beautiful diffuser sets also for corporate gifting, and we also deal with crystals. So these are lovely angels which are only available with us in
Okay.
all different kinds of. These are rose quartz, these are green aventurine, this is citrine, this is lapis. So we have all kinds of stones, all kinds of gem angels. This is pyrite for abundance. So when you have these, they carry their individual significance.
Okay. So as per theme, as per the requirements, you
as
gift it to
per-
the client,
yes,
right?
Yes.
And these lovely flowers, are these candles?
Yes, these are candles. This is a candle. This again goes for wedding gift,
Okay.
and we pack them nicely in a net.
These are all largely candles.
Yes.
Oh, and I see a lot of for R&R, rewards and
Yeah,
recognition.
so we also
material.
deal with huge range of products in trophies, medals, mementos, and recognition.
Yeah.
Even this is a customized chess trophy which we have made for Indian Federation of Blind People who play chess.
Oh,
Yeah.
that is wonderful. That is wonderful.
So we
if
are
you could
empaneled
please,
with them also.
Focus on this.
We are empaneled with them also.
Okay.
So these are the chess trophies that we specifically made for them.
Okay. For visually impaired people, that's a lovely thing.
And then these are beautifully 3D crystals. This is again a very nice gift to give to people who are at CEO level, or you want to give someone on their housewarming, or you want to give someone who is retiring. Their picture, like we have done for a client, we have added their picture, a nice quote, and company's logo. So this is how we can play with these crystals, and we have different sizes in this. They are also customized for dashboards. So I have for dashboards also. In this we can do Ganpati, and we can do your company's name or your client's name, and then you can gift it for their cars
Cards dashboard.
on Diwali. So they can use it on their dashboards or on their tables.
So serves as a lot of reminding,
Yes.
as a reminder value
Yes.
and branding value as well.
So we have huge range of products that totally depends on my creativity on how I present which product for which occasion in what way.
Yeah.
One product can be presented or used in various ideas,
And multiple occasions as well.
multiple occasions. Now
And
here,
something like this which looks very colorful.
so these are used basically for Sankrant and Holi festivals.
Okay. Yeah. Looks like, yes.
So this we use for packaging to present holy
Oh, the
colors,
items are put on
balloons.
this
Yes,
and
yes,
then used,
yes.
you know.
We use this for packaging. We decorate it beautifully,
Yes.
and then we present it. So it's very good to gift.
Yeah. A very unique thing to gift
Yes.
and, very handy.
So we use different kinds of packaging ideas
Yes.
which actually stand out in the market.
And a lot of these flowery flower arrangements are very
So
flowery.
we give our clients all the options to pick their choice.
Okay.
Different kinds of flowers, different kinds of colors, different nets, different ribbons. They can pick their choice and then we will decorate it for them.
Okay, so this is another gifting set.
Yeah, this we have just created for preparation.
And something, looks like a Diwali kind of
Yeah,
a
this
gift.
is for Diwali. These are nice urlis for Diwali, wherein we can put different kinds of flavor. Nowadays, we have those different flavored batis.
Yes,
So we can place them and then we can gift it.
exactly.
Now, these are again a corporate arrangement. This is for Diwali, copper product, copper jar, copper glass, and a candle. Now, candle is again organic in a coconut nut shell.
Okay.
So this is a bar set. This is a corporate gift item. Now, this is something very interesting that we did for a company called. We have done this for an event company.
Okay.
So Blue Star is collaborating with different people around the sphere. So they wanted something very rock solid, and we suggested them this rock,
Okay.
which they could not find it anywhere. And this says that our collaboration is like a rock.
Oh, okay. Theme based again.
So we have done customization also, and the name is also written of the company who have received it, and also the quote that they wanted.
Partnership rocks.
Yes.
And it's a rock.
Yes.
So it
And we
conveys the
decorated it very
messages.
nicely in a box and was presented very well
Oh, that's lovely. And these all ideas are created by you.
by us.
Yes.
We have your copper bottles. We also do a lot of German silver products.
Oh, okay.
So during Diwali, we have corporates who actually want to give something which is very nice, which is very elegant,
Yes.
still in their budget. So this is a range that we suggest them.
Okay.
German silver glasses, German silver boxes, German silver candle holders, German silver trays, frames. We also have individual products of these.
Okay.
If you don't want a complete set.
This is oxidized silver. Kind.
Yeah.
Okay.
So these are very beautiful boxes.
That's a lovely collection. And you also have regular pens and other
Yeah, that is a corporate set, wherein we cater to pens, diaries, card holders, bottles,
Yeah.
everything.
Yeah.
I have also, Sanjay, to let you know, written a book on affirmation.
Oh,
This is my lifetime journey, which I have noted in this.
Okay.
So all the affirmations are written by me. 100 affirmations are there. And as you know, we can't use any Google affirmations because of copyright.
Right.
So each and every affirmation is written by me.
And how does this work?
So you have to do manifestation, and me being the author of this first book.
Oh, that's lovely. Many congratulations on this.
Thank you.
And how does these affirmations work?
I would like to give this to you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Neha. And how does this work? How does one practice this?
So you need to keep affirmating about what you want. If you want something like, okay, I want to achieve these many corporates in 1 year. So you have to keep talking about it. You can't say, oh, ye nahi aa raha hai. So you are manifesting a wrong thing.
Wrong thing, yes.
So there are many affirmations in this, which my life journey actually I have written right from my childhood to my marriage, to my kids, and to my business. Everything is in one book.
Thank you so much. And it's a lovely thing that one could really get. And after seeing all this wonderful range, I think it's there for every occasion. I would like to ask you, you design all these things, right? Oh, I see another range of corporate gifts and diaries and regular pens and all that we were talking about just now.
Yes, so this is a complete corporate range that we cater to companies, logistics.
Okay.
So this is something we did recently for a financial based company.
Okay.
And this was also done like in shortest notice of 4 to 5 hours with branding.
Oh,
and
lovely.
this went to Germany.
All thanks to your in-house printing efforts and everything.
So I
yes.
would like to tell you that our products actually travel outside India also.
Yeah.
For few event planners we are empaneled with, they take our products, we are the preferred gifting vendor for them.
Okay.
Shortest notice in their budget and the product that they want is delivered on time.
Okay. So you normally would have stocks of all these.
Yes, we have stocks of around 500 pieces of each product. So that's how we win the last minute orders also.
Oh, that's wonderful. That's wonderful. And go. Question, ask question.
This is a beautifully.
What are all these lined up so beautifully on a staircase?
So these are home possession hampers which are beautifully lined up for
Okay.
our very renowned builder. So
Okay.
as and when their order comes, we are ready to deliver.
Okay,
Their order
whenever
generally
this-
comes last minute. There is
Yeah.
a group which is made,
हाँ.
and जैसे कल possession है.
हाँ.
So today we will get a message that tomorrow we need 2 hampers, tomorrow we need 6 hampers. So we are ready for their delivery.
Oh, wonderful, wonderful. And each flat owner who buys a new flat or moves in
Yes.
will get this hamper.
Yes, so this hamper is
remember.
actually very nicely created and crafted by me. Their major ask was it is going to families.
Right.
So in family, when every person opens, unwraps a hamper, should receive one thing.
Right.
So be it an adult, be it a child, be it a grandparent, everything has been taken care in this hamper, and we decorated, we presented beautifully with these lights. So I will also tell you that I am a trained floral artist.
Oh,
And
that
I
is
use
lovely.
my real flower arrangement creativity in these hampers.
Okay.
So this, what you are seeing is just not complete piece. In product wise, it is complete. Now there will be some real flower arrangements before we deliver to keep
Okay.
it look fresh.
Okay, okay. So there will be actual real flowers.
Yes, real flowers.
Okay.
We use orchids, we use flowers, we use some fillers, we use gypsos, and we complete this hamper. So it looks more beautiful.
Oh, that is wonderful. Yes. Somebody, his value, his or her value will be enhanced once
Yes,
he receives
yes.
such kind of a gift, especially when his enthusiasm is the highest, he's moving into new house of a
Yes,
dream house.
definitely.
Yes. And
And
here
in-
again, I see some real collections of jewelry that we were talking about.
Yes, so
And
we
some crystals.
also take care of handmade this trinket jewelry on site. So
Okay.
we carry our products, we with our team, we go, we make the jewelry and we gift it to them the way they want. We have watch charms, we have mobile charms, we have back charms, pendants and lovely bracelets.
Okay.
You can see every collection here. These are for bags, these are for mobiles, these are bracelets, these are watch charms, and on the watch wristwatch you
Right.
can place these charms.
Okay.
And then there are beautiful pendants. Now the main thing here is just blindly I have not made these. They are a concept. Even
Okay.
in these I have used some kind of ideas to develop a concept when you are wearing something.
Okay.
So there is a beautiful Disney concept also for kids, which was really loved by them, and that is a hot selling thing for us.
Okay.
You can see this is the fruit one that we made, just fruits.
Yeah. And can be used on mobiles, wristwatches.
Yes, and Evil Eye is something which is
Yeah.
very much in right now.
Yeah.
So we have Evil Eye keychains also. These are key holders.
Yeah.
So they are very beautiful and very pretty. We have walk-in clients in our store. They just can't resist buying this.
Yes. Lovely, beautiful it looks, and very handy, very easy to
Very
carry,
easy,
and
yes.
nothing bulky or
Yes.
and elegant.
This is a Mickey trail. The
Yeah. So these also are delivered on the site.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
We take this with us on site
Yeah.
and we make as per their likings. Everybody is having their own preferences. Someone wants something, someone wants something.
Right.
So we have all kinds of preferences. We have huge range of charms.
Okay. And this is something supposed to be
This we
time
made,
based, 50 years.
yeah,
something
this
like
we
that.
made for 50th birthday of some senior person in Reliance.
Okay, Reliance Jamnagar, yes. And this one, it looks like a box.
Yeah, that's a money box.
It's a money box. So every customized to every occasion. These are another range of keychains.
So have
right?
a look to these keychains.
Yeah.
These are beautifully made for your promotions.
Yeah.
So for your Insta logo, we have your Insta logo here. We have your Insta QR code here, and when you scan this, you can follow us there and you can see the details that we have. At the same time, you can use it as a key ring, and this you can have it with you every time.
Every time.
And if you really would like to promote me, you can ask people wherever you go, just scan this and follow this and place your orders with Arcoiris.
Yeah.
So same thing we have done with website. If you scan this, you will visit our website. So this we can do for your company as well. If you want to let people know about your website, we can do your logo here and your website QR code here. So you can give this as a keychain, and then they can anytime and every time they can visit your website and make purchases from there.
Purchases from there.
Likewise, we have done for YouTube's. You want people to follow your YouTube channel, for Facebook. So this we can do for your company profile. We have done this for a lot of clients as promotional activity.
Right, wonderful. And another gift hamper here I can see.
There is a
with
coffee,
eatables, good
yes,
eatables.
coffee gift hamper.
Yeah.
So we keep creating concepts.
Okay.
This is another concept that we have done for a school. So these test tubes were having money plants.
Oh, okay.
So how to present that money plant was a big question.
Right.
And that's when I developed this box for them. And this is how we presented this. They loved the idea.
Yeah.
And it was very, very much appreciated in the school.
Yes, yes, yes. Good reminder, good thing
yes,
for the
so they
students
wanted
as
to
well as
do
for the
this.
teachers. Yes.
They wanted to do this for Teachers' Day.
Yeah.
Then later on, they also did it for their chief guest who came for the event.
That's wonderful. That's wonderful. It looks perfect theme for the school.
They wanted to give something to teachers, and as teachers are one who nurtures the child.
Exactly.
They grow them.
Yes.
So I suggested them a plant, because plant is something which will always
Which
keep growing.
signifies growth and nurturing. Yes.
So it was very much appreciated by the
Yes.
school.
And this looks like a huge mug. Is it usable or decorative?
No, it is a usable mug. This can be customized as well, personalized.
Yeah.
And there is a straw in this, wherein you can sip your coffee, shakes, juices, whatever. This is a trendy product right now.
Okay.
We always keep in stock and we always get out of stock.
Oh, wonderful. Looks
This is a
lovely.
nice coffee shaker. So if you're having a juice in this, if you're having a coffee in this, and if it gets settled after a while, if you miss drinking it, sipping it, then there is a button. You have to press it and it gets brewed inside. And then you can sip it.
Lovely. So this is
It's
that-
leak proof.
Okay. A lot of these connects which are available.
Yes, so
On
this
your,
is something which we have made for our promotion. Whenever we have walk-in clients, they come visit us, they buy from us, and then they scan this and they follow us. And for the repeated purchase, they can definitely post your.
Okay. So this you can make for your clients also, something like
Yes, this can be made for clients as well. We take orders of everything here.
this? Yeah.
Whatever products you are seeing here, we will take orders of that.
Wonderful. This train looks wonderful, and with this kind of train, any other themes and similar things that can be done?
Yeah, in this train we can make different themes,
Yeah.
and we also give this train on rent. We also sell this train, and we also customize this as per your requirements. If you tell me I want 5 bogies, I want 6 bogies, we can do that for you as well.
Okay. That is lovely. So everything is customized, everything is theme based, everything can be made in colors and all kind of things. Oh, there's another machine here. What is this for, please?
So these are batch making machines, Sanjay. And whenever in corporates we need batches, like in hospitals, in logistics companies, in
Yes,
schools.
yes, yeah.
So we get the design and we make batches of their logo in these machines.
Okay,
So
instantly.
this also, yes, we have in-house printing, we have in-house batches, and we just have to make it and deliver it to them. So even 100 pieces, even 500 pieces, we can make it in a day and we can deliver it to them.
Oh, wonderful. That is wonderful. So everything you have is largely instant and can be done
Yes.
right there.
Yes.
So
Definitely.
their value is enhanced, you know,
Yes.
that novelty value and the enthusiasm doesn't die away. People do wait for all those kind of stuff. And lovely tempting hampers. What is this cute lady doing here?
This is just a showpiece
Okay.
to enhance the decor.
Okay.
You can see this. This is for birth announcement. So we are actually very much known for Rasgulla packing.
Oh,
That
that is tempting.
Yes.
Yes.
So we use different kind of containers to pack their sweets.
Ah, okay.
So if there is a girl, then we use a different packing. If it's a boy, we use matkis to represent and give significance of Kanha. So this is how we do invitation cards also.
Okay.
And we do lovely packaging also.
And what about this?
These are key rings.
Very
For
beautiful and
bags.
colorful.
Yeah, as a keychain. So as I said, I have lot of walk-in clients. We have to keep making new stuff. We have to keep presenting new ideas for them.
So you have our corporates, you have wedding, as well as walk-in clients. Anybody can walk in
Yes.
and pick up even one piece or
Yes,
something.
yes. So we cater to festive occasions. We cater to corporate events.
Yeah.
We cater to schools, baby showers, birth announcements, signature celebrations, birthdays and anniversaries.
Yeah.
We are empaneled with lot of event planners also for
Okay.
their gifting ideas.
Right. And everything is designed and manufactured by you?
So most of the products are designed and manufactured by us, like say wooden, like how I can show you this wooden train,
Yeah.
wooden boxes, wooden trays, that we definitely make here in-house. Rest of the pieces depends what it is, we have to source it out.
Okay. All right.
Presentation is something which is
But
very
creativity,
important.
designing is all done by you.
Yes, of course.
So
My
you're-
clients want that.
That's exactly why they come to you for.
Yes.
Exactly. Thank you. So it has been lovely visiting you, Neha. It was something really, really great to look at and watch out. It was wonderful being with you, and thank you so much for giving this opportunity
you
to
so
come
much.
here and do this. And thank you so much once again for this wonderful, wonderful gift. Thank you so much,
Thank you.
and thank you, and all the good luck to you.
Thank you for visiting,
Thank you.
Sanjay. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.